Whether you're planning a road trip or just as a precaution, the GOOLOO A5 is an essential tool for your car. It is at the same time a jump starter, a tire inflator, a power bank, and an emergency light. And in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate it to you. I'm gonna jump start my car, and also I'll be inflating a tire in my car. I'm gonna show you what comes in its box and how to operate it. So let me start first by showing you what comes in this box. So let's open the box. Everything is well put in this bag that comes in the box. You get this pouch, which is very nice. And this is the multi-function A5, the jump starter, and so on. And you have a bunch of cables and accessories. So you have all these ends to inflate, for instance, a ball or your bicycle. And you have some cables. This is USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. And this is here for your jump starting needs. And this is the tire inflator. So let me show you how to operate it. So to turn it on, you turn it on like this. So this is the default settings. And here, for instance, if you wanna increase the inflating power, this is in PSI here. You just press the plus button or the minus button. And if you want presets, you press on this one here. And there are some presets for the ball, for your bicycle, and so on. And if you want to change the measuring from PSI to kilopascal or to bar, you press and hold here, and it's gonna change as you see here. I'm gonna keep it at PSI. And if you want to light up the light, so here it has an emergency light, you just press this button and the light will light up like this. You have also this strobing light, and this is SOS, and another one, it will turn off. And to put the inflator in action, you press this button. Anyways, I'm gonna demonstrate it to you in a bit. Let me show you now the ports. So it has USB-C charging port here that is attached, and this is very good. At the same time, you can carry it like this. And you have here two ports also. This one here is USB-A output. It has a maximum output of 2.4 amps, and this is only to charge it. So this is input only. Now, for the jump starter, it has 800 amps, and this is really very good, and it can jump start any engine you want, gas or diesel, and the peak power, that the boost power it has, is 4000 amps. So let me show you now how to jump start your car. To jump start the car, it is better to put the clamps before you connect the cable to the A5 device. So this is the plus here. Put the plus on the plus and make sure it is well clamped, and this is the minus. Put it on the minus like this here, and also make sure it is well clamped. Now you need to put this in this end of the jump starter. So open this one here, and it has a key, so it cannot go wrong, and just push it in. And notice here that you have an LED light. If everything is well connected, the LED light will light up green. Now, if your battery is completely depleted, you need to press the boost button, so to give the battery the maximum power you can. For me, it's not completely depleted, so I'm not gonna press the boost button. And notice how when I connect it, that it turned on automatically. Now I'm gonna start the car. And notice how the car started from the first try. And the battery, it was a little bit empty for me. Now you need to remove the connections, and start by removing the plus one like this here, and make sure it doesn't touch anything, and then remove the minus, and then disconnect it from the jump starter. And don't forget to cover the plus pole of the battery. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna inflate my tire. You need to start by hooking the hose to the tire inflator. So it is like this here. It's very easy. You can hook it without turning the whole hose, and this is very nice touch. And then you need to turn it on. And even though it is sunlight now, you can see the screen very well. And my tire here takes 32 PSI, so I'm gonna go to 32 PSI. And the good thing about it is that it stops automatically. So now connect it here like this. And then simply turn it on like this to start inflating, and you're gonna see it's gonna stop automatically once it arrives at 32. And see how it stopped automatically. Now all you have to do is disconnect it. If you want to check out the GOOLOO A5, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.